In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a simple Salesforce flow. Whether you're new to Salesforce or looking to enhance your skills, this tutorial will guide you through the basic steps to create a flow, an essential tool that helps automate business processes by collecting and processing information within Salesforce efficiently. To start, we need to navigate to the Flows section in Salesforce. You can find this under the Setup menu in the Lightning experience. Think of flows as a visual representation of business logic that guides users through a series of screens to perform actions and data manipulations. Once you're in the Flows section, click on the New Flow button. This will open up the Flow Creation tool where you will choose what type of flow you want to create. For this tutorial, we'll focus on a screen flow. Screen flows allow users to interact with the flow via screens, making it perfect for processes that require user input. After selecting Screen Flow, you'll begin building your flow. First, you need to click on the Add button. This action enables you to expand on the functionality of your flow by including various elements. On clicking Add, you'll need to choose an element. Elements are essentially the building blocks of your flow, and in our case, these could be screens, decisions, or assignments. Now that you've chosen your element, click the Add button again. This step is crucial as you might want to add multiple actions or capture different inputs, depending on your business needs. For example, if you're collecting user information through different screens, make sure each screen is added as an individual element within your flow. Once more, select another element to add to the flow. Remember, each element represents a step in your process. Your choice of elements and their configuration directly impacts how your flow performs and guides users to achieve the desired outcome. Next, it's time to input labels for each of your steps or screens. Labels help in documenting your flow, making it easier to understand at a glance. They serve as identifiers in flow management and ensure clarity for anyone who revisits the flow in the future. Now, search for a variable if your flow requires storing or passing information between elements. Variables in Salesforce are placeholders for information that can change based on user input or other factors within the flow. Explaining your intention behind each variable is key, especially when dealing with complex, data-driven flows. Finally, ensure all your work is saved by clicking the Save button. The saving process involves typing in a flow label, which is a concise description of what your flow accomplishes. Don't forget to save as you progress. A final save will secure all the configurations and create your flow in Salesforce. With these steps, you're now equipped to create a simple Salesforce flow from start to finish. This foundational knowledge sets you on the path to harnessing the full power of Salesforce automation, opening new possibilities for efficiency in your business operations. Happy building!